أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم ولعن أعداءهم أجمعين. Karbala. When we hear the name Karbala, what do we think of? We think of Karb and we think of Bala. But the best place to experience this Karb and Bala is when you walk for the Arbaeen. Especially when you walk barefooted, you remember the musibah of Sayyid al-Sajideen. You remember the musibah of Sayyida Zainab. You remember the musibah of Sayyida Sakina and Sayyida Kulthum. And the Banat al-Hashimiyya, Imam Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salam and the children. When we will get tired during the walk because of the heat, we would remember that our hands are not chained. We are not tied up. Nor is there anyone pelting stones at us. Nor is there anyone flogging us with a whip. Nor is there anyone coming to slap us. Nor is there anyone looking at us, pointing at us, laughing at us, and mentioning us by our names. You remember the musibah of Imam Hussain alayhi salam. And this is the greatest musibah that has ever happened in history. There is no day like your day, O Aba Abdullah. Being in Karbala gives us that love. He shows us and reminds us of the sacrifice of Hussein. But it's not going to be enough if we just come, give our salams and say an empty labbaik. Imam Hussein alayhi salam made a hur. At least let's make ourselves hur. When we go back from Karbala, let's take this love of Karbala with us and make sure that we take Karbala with us every moment of our lives. Let us live Karbala. Let us breathe Karbala until we meet the Hussein of our time who will avenge Karbala. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma ajil li waliyika al-faraj al-sharif.